San Diego Unified School District's Food and Nutrition Services Department is proud to help California's effort to reduce waste through our Love Food Not Waste program. Milk gives us calcium for strong bones and teeth, and protein, which gives us energy and builds muscle. Milk only does the body good if you drink it, and it is not required if you take a main entree and half cup of fruits or vegetables. If you do choose to take milk, your school would like you to finish the milk that you chose to take. In your lunch court, you may see a sorting station that looks similar to this. This tutorial emphasizes the draining of unfinished milk, which enables us to recycle the cartons. If you took milk and didn't open it, please put it on the share table and think about how you will drink it if you take it next time. If you have milk that you didn't finish, please drain the last few drops into the liquids bucket before placing your empty carton into the blue recycling container. Please reduce splashing by holding the carton lower than the lip of the bucket. At Tierra Santa Elementary, our data shows that most students drink most of their milk most of the time. Thank you. At the end of lunch, we measure how much milk was drained and set school-wide goals to reduce this wasted milk. A huge thank you to all of you who drank every drop.
Thank you